So now we will study mean deviation. Mean deviation means deviation from mean. Since range, see, first a group of observation is given, okay, some data is given, and we have to collect the information regarding the data, okay. So for example, that match again, the same question I'm taking, batsman 1 and batsman 2. So their scores are given, right? Now we have to find who played well, right? So what we will do, we will find who scored more, okay. So since we are given 10 matches, so what we will do, we will find their average. So average means mean, we will find the mean, and median, or mean, median, or mode. So we'll find a central value which tells us, or which gives us a rough idea about the distribution. So we have found mean, median, and mode. But when we found mean, median, mode, we will find that the mean and median for both the observation is same 52. But again, we are not able to answer that question who played well, right? Because the mean and median is same. So what we have done, we will mark all the scores, or will represent all the scores on a number line, and we found that there is more variation when it comes to batsman one's one scores, right? Okay. So this variation, how we can measure this variation? So to measure the variation, we have studied range, okay. Range tells us how the variability, the total variation, but it depends on the higher and maximum and minimum value only, okay. There is no relation with the mean, there is no relation with the central value, okay. So we will introduce a measure which is related to central value, and that new measure is known as mean deviation, means deviation from the mean, okay. Deviation from mean, deviation means a difference, okay, a change, right? So deviation about mean. So now we will study how to measure mean deviation. So we have so many types of data: group data, ungrouped data, okay. In some case class interval is given, in some case the data is ungrouped. So before finding mean deviation, make sure that you know how to find mean, median, and mode, because our first step will be this only. Either we will find mean, we have to find deviation about mean, deviation about median, okay. So you should know how to find mean and median. So first we'll see how to find mean deviation for ungrouped data. Mean deviation for ungrouped data, okay. For example, um, it is for ungrouped data. So some data, some observation is given, okay, and we have to find its mean deviation, okay. So the formula is mean deviation is equals to 1 by n. Here n means total number of observation, then sigma mod xi minus a, where I is from 1 to n. Now what is this sigma? Sigma means sum. So what we will do from, and what is this a? Here a means median, okay. Or it depends on the question. In question they may ask find the deviation about the mean, okay. Then here we will write mean, and symbol to present mean is x bar. So when question is find the mean deviation about mean, then in the formula what the only change is, at the place of a we will write x bar, okay. So in this question what we have to do, first we will find median or mean, okay. Then from each observation we will subtract our mean or median, okay, and then we will add all the values, right? So now this is the formula. Now we'll solve a question.